Mateka. So today I am here to plug you on where I buy my stuff cheap when I want to do online shopping. From perfumes to phones, I mean everything. They've got everything you need. And you can actually try and negotiate the price by placing get stuff. Sometimes I get stuff for 1 rand, and sometimes I get stuff for 100 rand. I do get stuff a lot cheaper. Here, please check this website out. I'm gonna post the link for you. Please do check it out. You're not gonna regret it. You're gonna thank me later for this. So this is what they have. See, this is what they have. They've got perfumes, they've got toys, they've got phones at cheaper prices. You see, this is an iPhone 11 at 6,700, and that is a Samsung Galaxy. And there's this nice dress that I bought here. It's 562, guys. So do check them out. They've got more nice things, just that I'm not able to scroll right now, but I just wanted to show you this. I'm showing you this plug today where you can buy things cheaper. You are allowed. You see, let me show you one thing. It says 15 bids, meaning there are 15 people competing for this phone. You just offer your price and whichever one wins. And then you see there's no bids here, meaning you can offer your price and be the last one and get it at that price. Also, as this one, wireless earbuds with power bank, it's 129. So you can actually bid, meaning you can offer your price and people can come and compete with your price. And if you're lucky, you can get it cheaper if there's no one competing with you, or your price is the best price. So please don't sleep on this one. This is one of the websites I use most if I want to buy something. I first come and check here if I can't get it cheaper, and then I move on and check to other places. But this is the place you want to be, BidOrBuy. I'm gonna post the link there and you can check it out for yourself.